this is going to be the start of a new vlog. It is Red's birthday weekend, Lacey's birthday weekend, a whole lot going on, but now we're going to run this order and I'll talk to y'all in just a minute. So I made it back home and the drone made it before me and it's in the house. Also picked up these blue light frames. Cute. Hey my sweet lovely, so we are headed out to Hub Fest today. Today is March 28th. It's Red's birthday. Happy birthday to you, babe. Love you. Oh, I had a missed call. But we're heading downtown Hattiesburg, Mississippi to the Hub Fest to go get us something good to eat. Oh, yeah. What? Oh. Can we see us? It's a line? What? Look, right here. Opened up some. What they doing? Okay. Yo. Strawberry, right? And you want the raspberry? So one strawberry and two raspberry. And that's it. Your wipe your shirt off. No. Said not sweet.
No, I said that. I
Thank you. Well, we paid $5 a car, I remember that. Paid for Mama! Did she say, hey, Tyler? Look, she already know. Come over here, Riley, first, and we're gonna. My stomach went up and down.
That was fun.
That was so scary. Let's go Venom. He took Kason and Riley to get on the ride. Where? They said. Leah said she ain't scared. Oh my gosh! Why is it spinning so fast?
That's how they go. Come on, y'all want to ride? Hold on.
one.
You got in and out.
Ooh!
That leader right there.
Ooh, Lacey behind her.
Yeah, Lace behind.
Oh my God.
Do it, Lace.
Oh my God.
Lace, you know what?
Jesus. Oh my God. Go, Landon, go. Run, run. Good job. Good morning, you guys. Today is March 31st. You saw a little snippet of Landon's baseball game yesterday. And today is Tuesday, March 31st, like I said. And Kaysen has a T-ball game today. But also, it is Lacey's 12th birthday. Happy birthday, baby girl. I love you so much. She asked for chicken wings and mac and cheese. So we're going to make that happen for her tonight. I got some chicken in here I'm going to go ahead and take out. They just got on the bus. And then I'm going to run orders. I want to drop some cupcakes off for her as well. Unfortunately, I have not had the time to make them. So I probably will just pick something up and drop off for her class. I'm trying to think of what else I may have to do. But because I have to run orders, I have to work today. Get some things done. But we will make that happen for her. I think that's it right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out this chicken so that chicken will be thawed out by the time I get back from work. Don't drop it. Go, Kaysen, go! Run! Well, this is a crazy turn of events. Found a dog in the parking lot up here at Walmart. I posted it in all groups that I'm in Hattiesburg and also my page. But I'm going to run in here and grab a leash and some water because I don't want anybody just to get that dog. It's a nice-headed dog. I hadn't talked to y'all since yesterday when we found the dog at Walmart. And we found his owners. Well, this is what happened. The mower of like the lawn care guy of the owners, he got out. He's an inside dog, and I could tell he was just too pretty, too clean, all of that. And so he found Red because Red stopped to pulled over to the back of the parking lot to let him see if he needed to use the bathroom or anything, you know, back by the trees, by the wooded area. And as he was out, the guy pulled up and he's like, oh, I know that dog, you know, yeah. And he gave Red $20, and he was like, yeah, here's my number. Like, I'm finna take him right back home. He got out while I left something open. So I called him on my way out just to make sure before I purchased everything, you know, has anybody came looking? And he was like, yeah, the guy just came, and he grabbed him, and he was like, you know, adamant that was okay. So we came back home. I was exhausted. We fell asleep after the kids got off the bus, took a nap, and we were out. I mean, out. Landon had a game last night. I woke up, I was getting the messages about good game. We were all in the house knocked out. So after that, I checked my Facebook, and the posts were still up. You know, everybody had started to share the post, seeing that the dog was lost. And they found, I had already posted that I found the owner, and the owner commented, and she was like, oh my goodness, we were lost without asking, you know. So she shared it, and you know, everybody was like, oh, he needed some groceries and all this stuff like that. And it was like, oh, you gonna get a whooping. It was too funny. And wrote her and told her, you know, about how we found them and what was going on and what we did, gave him water and stuff like that. And that he had tore our little bowl up, and she sent a picture. She was like, yeah, he just tore our son tore up, or her nephew, somebody or whatever. But that was Axel. So hey Axel, welcome to the channel, and it was nice meeting you. But yeah, I'm about to head to the store because my brother, my sister-in-law, and my niece are on the way, and I'm gonna braid my niece's hair today. But I need to grab my stuff in my order that I'm working on tonight, which we are working on the Strawberry Shortcake order. Okay, so enough rambling. Let me get to the store.
Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going, twin? Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going then? Take me through that, take me through that. We gone. Take me through that, take me through that. She gone. Out of that booth, she gone. Out of that over the air, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two on my go-to player. Hydra, 2 players. Got body like she went on a trail. Look like she go trim. Cut it, get it on film. 4-course meal, she ate up the drip. She wanna go through there, yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the fried. Gas up, shout it, up through there. Cool like a writer for real. I told her charge me up, my phone died. She going no kill, yeah. Take me through that, take me through that. She going. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. She going. Take me through that.
All the last minute ingredients that I needed. Only other thing I need is my cake box, and they do not open until like 9 or so, so I'm just gonna get that this evening. So I made it back home, y'all, and I didn't got myself comfortable because I'm cleaning up. But today is the day for me to apply for casing for pre-K, y'all, at the school. So we're gonna go ahead and sign him up. Child must be 4 years old. See y'all. Just so cute. Say cheese. You ready? Get over there. There you go. I don't get it either. This part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. When I'm in a daze from your love, you see.
Alright, y'all, this is the finished cake. My DJI died on me, so I had to use my phone, but she is looking gorgeous. We dropped the light a little bit. Beautiful. And I added the extra roses around the front with a couple of berries on it. I think that came out cute, and I think the strawberries did their part, y'all. I think that is so cute. Let me know in the comment section what you think. How did it turn out? Did I do good, y'all? Alright, y'all. I had to run to the party store to grab a box because, of course, your girl forgot to get one yesterday. I have plenty of smaller boxes, but I needed the 2-tier, of course. I don't think it's gonna be tall enough, y'all. It's a 12 by 12 by 12. That's all they had. But we about to see, and if I gotta put some cling wrap across the top, we'll do that. All right, y'all. I had to make it work. I had to cut a little slit for the topper, but she said she was pulling up in 1 minute, so let's see if she was on point.